Hello guys. So in this video we have Fatima with us. So she's here to share her onboarding process of TCS. So she got placed in TCS and she's currently joined the organization. So I have asked her to share her onboarding process and all. So let's listen to her. So hi Fatima.
Hi, I'm currently working in TCS and my training is going on. I have placed in TCS. I have got my interview in TCS on December 4th, and I have shortlisted for TCS and I got mail on December 26th. So they have sent me a joining mail regarding I have selected, and on the first week of Jan I have got mail, and after joining of the TCS, we have to do our Explore login from the TCS, and in that Explore login, after the 1 week, they said how to register for the CPA exams, because CPA is very essential to join the TCS.
Yes.
After joining, we have it is very important, the CPA exams. In the CPA exams, first we need to enroll into the Explore login, and Explore login by giving our mail and the password credentials. After that, we have to select the student category and we have to enroll in it. And after that, we have to go through our Python selected stream, Python and Java, and we have to go for announcements, and we have to select the survey to register for the CPA exam. We have to register. It is a webcam proctored exam, so we have to register for the exam on the date it is given.
A lot of times, when people don't crack Tier 1 colleges, they get disheartened and feel companies like Google, LinkedIn, etc. are out of their reach. We are here to tell you to always dream big, because we have very inspiring stories where people fought with different odds and reached for the stars. We have got a show where the famous YouTuber Raj, who is a SDE in media.net, will review your college products and helps you in how to improve them better. So he will be coming live there on every Friday at 10 pm. For all those who want to become a software developer or have just become a software developer, an academy brings you a platform where you can get access to weekly shows that you can watch live. Some of the shows that are coming live soon on an academy are
hiring updates in startups and major tech companies, eligibility criteria, how to apply for them, how to approach CodeChef, pre-placement talk where HRs from top companies come and talk about their hiring process, top 20 questions which are asked in interviews and how to solve them, accelerating development by using real-life projects, life journey of fellow coders working in FANG companies, and many more shows like that.
you will have an option to interact with industry experts on the platform, and you will also get a chance to take a part in mock interviews where you will get real-time feedbacks and you can sharpen your skills. You will get all of this and much more just at a price of 999 for an year. And with my code Unacademy, you will get this for 899. For more information, check out the description where I provided the links.
And later on, we will get a mail regarding the CPA that we have successfully registered, and we have to go for IRC check to check the system compatibility, and we have to check the system compatibility, and later on the CPA exam the date will be given, and we will give the shift, what shift we have to take the exam. And later for CPA exam, we have MCQs part and two coding questions part. For this, we can choose Python or Java. So if you took the Python, we have MCQs for 1 hour and part, and other part will be like two coding questions which have Python and MySQL coding part. And for taking Java also, we have MCQs, and for coding we have two questions, Java and MySQL part. In this CPA, CPA is a very we have so many advantages by taking CPA exam. If we have cleared the CPA, so they can take very easily for our project. So we will be taken release for our project after joining the TCS. So for this, we have the benefits is if we get 80% above or 50% above, we will have incentives. If we have 50%, we will get 20,000 incentives after our first payroll, and if we get 80% above, we will get 20 to 40,000 incentives. And if we didn't clear the CPA, we will be taking exams after joining the CPA, after joining the TCS.
Okay. So after getting your joining, offer letter, so you've gone through Explore program where you attempted CPA and you cleared it. Okay, that's good. So after clearing CPA, so you've got your joining letter, right? So after some few months, so when you get your joining letter, what are the process like in the mail? What they mention? So is there any documentation process kind of or what?
I have got my joining letter 15 days before the joining. So they given me to complete submit all the details within the 10 days. So we require for joining documents. We require service agreement for 1 year to be signed. So they will for the service agreement and for the documents what we have to submit. They will send the HR will be the onboarding manager will send a mail regarding regarding the meeting which will be scheduled on Sunday timings. So we should attend the meeting and we should know what are the documents should be submitted and they will explain the clarity. So we all require for the joining document, service agreement, and all the bona fide certificates or non-affidavit or non-criminal certificates and all the 10th inter mark lists certificates and all BTech certificates should be submitted in the portal. And after submitting, we have to submit by using our TCS Next portal login. We have to log in with our email and password credentials. And after our login, we will get like a background check. In the background check, we will fill our documents, background documents, and we have to submit, upload all the documents when we have to press submit form. So for this joining documents, we also require PAN card, Aadhaar card, and also a passport. Passport also we should require because passport. If we did not have passport, we have to apply for it, and we have to give the passport details also. And we this is required for joining documents in this. And we have in TCS Next portal, we have to submit all these documents. Approved. The status will be in approved form. In the TCS Ion portal, we should submit the details regarding the onboarding forms. We have 3 onboarding forms. These will be in TCS Next Step portal. We have to do that in TCS Next Step portal, and we have to download those onboarding forms. Like background check, we will have onboarding forms. One, and we have to download those onboarding forms, and we have to take the printout, and we have to write down, and we have to take the signature of it, and we have to make a PDF of the onboarding forms. And the second one is a service agreement. We have to do all the process regarding the service agreement. And the other one is we got an offer letter on the January. I got an offer letter. We have to take the printout of the offer letter, and for every page we have to sign on the offer letter, and we have to make a PDF and upload it in the TCS Ion portal. So the joining documents will be submitted. If we have any we have got any rejected, means we will get a mail, and we have to submit it in 2 to 3 days.
Okay, so if any of the documents were wrongly approved or wrongly uploaded or so, they will review and send you a mail so that you need to re-upload that.
So if we didn't get we are uploading, we have get any we are not uploading problems like that, we can write to the Explore support team. TCS Ion portal, if we have any problems, so the HR will send you a mail. So this is rejected, you have to upload it again. So we can be uploaded within 1 or 2 days. So it will become in approved status.
Okay. So after uploading all the documents, necessary documents and all, you will be given the credentials for the joining and all, right? So what is the process after after completing these documents? What is the process for the ILP, and what are the things that happen in ILP?
After submitting the joining documents, they will say to give an undertaking mail that we are coming to the TCS, so they can be known. So these persons are uploaded the documents, and these persons are giving undertaking mail. We have to submit the undertaking mail by I am able to join the TCS. So they will see in the undertaking mail, and they will report us if we want to reschedule the time. So we have exams on this day, so we cannot come, so we can
Okay.
reschedule our joining date also. First and second day we will be creating our employee IDs, and with that we can log into our TCS portal. We will be generating our emails, and after completing of our 2 induction days, we will be coming to the first week training, which is same for all. First day IRA exam, which will be conducted, and the result will be within 2 to 3 weeks. In first week, the after completion of first week training, some people are released for the project, and the people who are not released for the project, they will be conducting of 2 to 3 weeks on training of the stream of Python or Java, which they choose. So we will be in this 3 weeks, they will be conducting a PRA exam. After the conducting of the PRA exam, they will be released for the project.
Okay. So these 3 weeks and 1 week training will be based on CPA results. So the performance regarding
CPA.
CPA. So if we get 80%
CPA
above in
is
the
very
CPA.
important. CPA is very important. So advantage of using CPA is we will get incentives. We will be conducting one digital exam, which is of highest package. So in the increment package, the digital exam will be conducted. So like they will be conducted 7 LPA or like that. If we
So all the candidates who cleared Ninja will be eligible for taking up the digital test, right?
Who did Ninja, they will be capable to update to digital. So for this also we have like CPA only exam. So coding questions will be, so we have to there will be a survey, we have to register. How we register for the CPA, we have to register for that exam. This exam conducted is on March. So if we appeared for the exam, we have to clear the exam. After clearing the exam, we will be directed to the interview. We have to clear the interview also. If those 2 processes are completed, so the digital will be upgraded and will be getting the highest package.
Okay, great. So the process is just like this. When you get an offer letter, after a few days, you will be getting a mail regarding Explore program. So in the Explore program, you need to take up the CPA test, and you need to complete that. So when you complete CPA, based on your performance, the number of weeks of training will be different, and you will get incentives, right? Okay, and all the Ninja candidates will be eligible for taking up the digital test, right?
Yes. If
so
we didn't clear the exam also, there will be no issue, because it is an attempt to upgrade our Ninja to digital.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so when you it's all up to us to take up the digital test or not. So after getting our joining letter, we will be joining the organization, and will be conducting, will be under ILP, and after that we'll be released to the project. Okay,
first week is same for everyone, and after that only we will be released for the project based on our CPA result.
Okay, if you get more than 80, you will be released immediately after the first week. If not, you will be having 3 weeks of training.
Yes.
Okay, Fatma. I think you have shared most of the information regarding onboarding and pre-joining process. So thank you, Fatma.